Algorand costs about the same as $0.1226 per coin, which is very important. The current exchange rate is between $0.1210 and $0.1282, or so they thought. The last day's close was $0.1280, which is very important. The change was actually $0.0054.22, or so they thought. How much Algorand will cost in the near future and next month? Algorand price prediction for Monday, August 7th, 0.13 most likely highest 0.14 most likely least 0.12 most likely. Also, look at the spread of prices traded today, 0.1210 to 0.1282. Algorand price prediction for Tuesday, August 8th, 0.13 most likely highest 0.14 most likely least 0.12 most likely. Contrary to what most people think, Algorand's price prediction for August 9th was at least 0.12 and at most 0.13. On Thursday, August 10th, Algorand was thought to have cost between 0.12 and 0.13 and as little as 0.11. Algorand price forecast on Friday, August 18th, 0.12 in every way that matters most, 0.13 sort of least, 0.11, or so they usually thought in multi-week. Algorand price forecast on Monday, August 14th, 0.11 at its most extreme. 0.12 is basically less than 0.10 in a simple way. On Tuesday, August 15th, the most it could cost was 0.12, and the least it could cost was 0.10. Contrary to what most people think, the Algorand figure on August 16th cost between 0.10 and 0.12 cents. Algorand price expectations on July 20th ranged from 0.12 to 0.13 to 0.11, which shows that the change was 0.0054 to 4.22. However, contrary to what most people think, Algorand price expectations on July 21st ranged from 0.12 to 0.13 to 0.11, which is very important in about 14 days. On Monday, July 24th, the price of Algorand is forecast to be between $0.12 and $0.13, with an average of $0.11. On Thursday, August 10th, Algorand cost between 0.12 and 0.13, but mostly 0.11. This was a quiet trade. Manner on Tuesday, July 25th, Algorand said that the worst cost would be 0.13. 0.14 kind of least 0.12 in a way that doesn't stand out. The price of Algorand is expected to be 0.13 on Wednesday, July 26th. The most it will cost is 0.14, and the least it will cost is 0.12. The price of Algorand is expected to be between 0.13 and 0.14 on Thursday, July 20th. The price of Algorand is expected to be 0.13 on Friday, July 21st. It could be as high as 0.14 or as low as 0.12. On Monday, July 24th, the Algorand hypothesis price was 0.13, but the most it could be was 0.14, which is still less than 0.12. This is very important. On Tuesday, July 25th, the worst-case scenario for the Algorand price is 0.13, while the best-case scenario is 0.14. This shows how the change happened. 0.0054 on Wednesday, July 26th, the 4.22 Algorand number cost 0.13 very best 0.14 kind of least 0.12, which is a lot. Algorand number on Friday, July 28th. Cost between 0.13 and 0.14 and at least 0.12. This is a very big change in about a month. Algorand number on Monday, August 14th, cost at least 0.13 and no more than 0.14. Most leases were 0.12, which is really a lot. On Tuesday, August 1st, Algorand speculation cost 0.12. Which was pretty much the biggest. 0.13 kind of least 0.11 kind of more. Look at how Algorand prices were expected to be on August 9th, 0.13 kind of most extreme 0.14, but at least 0.12. Which is very important. United States dollars to Algo translation scale is about the same as 8.1566 coins per $1, which is very important today as it went from 7.8003 to 8.2645 in the past, as close to 7.8125 change for now, plus 0.3441 plus 4.40, which is very important. They thought that US dollars would eventually cost gauge 4 in the next month or two. On Monday, August 7th, 7.692 coins were worth $1 in Algorand. In spite of what most people think, 8.333 people actually hired 7.143. On Tuesday, August 8th, 7.692 coins were the most you could get for a US dollar. On Wednesday, August 9th, the most you could get for $1 in Algorand was 7.692 coins. This was the most you could get for 8.333 coins. 8.333 at least most of the time, 71.143 in a really big way. On Thursday, August 10th, 8.3333 coins were worth $1 US in every way that mattered. On Friday, August 18th, $9.091 were worth at least 7.692 Algorand figures, which cost 8.3333 coins. In every way, at least 7.692, or so they thought in a multi-week US dollar to Algo prediction on Monday, August 14th. Cost 9.091 coins. This was the highest price ever. Dollar to Algorand prediction on Tuesday, August 15th. Cost 9.091 coins, really most expensive. 10.000 sort of least 8.333 in a simple way. US dollars to Algo prediction on Tuesday, August 15th, cost 9.091 coins sort of most 10.000 sort of. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from